Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to be sitting here filming, drinking my cafecito with a box full of a brand new makeup. So we're gonna get right into it because I've missed you guys. I hope you had an amazing Christmas. I hope your holidays have been filled with love, joy, and maybe some good makeup as well. So with that said, grab your cafecito, cheers, and let's jump right into today's video, which is going to be a full face testing hot, new, trendy, viral makeup. Let's pin our hair back and let's get started. So how was your Christmas? What did you guys get? Did you get everything you wished for, or did you get more than you wished for? The one thing on my wish list is always perfumes, okay? And if you guys haven't already tried a Dossier, you're definitely missing out. They still have some sales going on. I will have everything in the description box down below. I'm not sure if they're still running their like Christmas sales, but they did have some amazing sales during the holidays. Again, if they do, I will have everything linked either way. But right now, I am in current rotation with these two, Citrus Green Apple and Citrus Peony. This one is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I'm really into like citrus scents right now just because they're very fresh and very citrusy, of course. And this one is inspired by Miss Dior's Blooming Bouquet Citrus Peony. It's such a feminine, fresh, citrusy scent, perfect for layering or wearing alone. I sprayed this like all over my room, on my sheets, or I'll spray it on my shirts. And just when it sits, it just hits different. So if you are wanting to add some like citrusy scents to your collections, these are a great starter. Citrus Green Apple and Citrus Peony. You just can't go wrong with Dossier because they have so many new scents. They just dropped new scents, so make sure you guys check them out. I will have the link in the description box down below. And as always, thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this portion of today's video. By the way, a little update if you haven't seen my video where I DIY'd my nails, they're still on and they are still strong and I am obsessed with them. I love French nails, if you can't tell. For my primer, I ordered this from MAC, the Frosted Blur Face Primer. It really reminds me of the little balm that Rem Beauty has. Do you guys know which one I'm talking about? The one that is for your under eyes. That one is one of my favorites. But I haven't seen Rare Beauty, Rem being sold at Ulta. Like my local Ulta doesn't have her brand anymore. I was so confused. So I don't know if she's revamping her brand or what is going on. I know she's been all over being a little messy. I don't know about that, but her brand is just like 50-50, you know? I don't think I've ever genuinely used a product that I'm like wowed by besides her foundation. Like that is the only standout product from her brand. That's kind of sad because usually celebrity brands tend to be very good. Okay. This is actually a really good primer. It almost like mattified the skin, but it didn't dry it out. It's not really doing much for my pores though, which is my main concern. So I don't know if this is something that I would use again. I definitely need to use my Tarte primer. I'm telling y'all, that is the only primer that will have your pores looking snatched, gone. Let's move on to the foundation. I don't really have a lot of, actually I don't have eyeshadow, but for foundations I actually have two. So this is the brand new e.l.f. Camo Hydrating CC Cream. It is full coverage, long lasting, and has a dewy finish. If you guys haven't tried the original CC Cream, that one has more of a matte finish, which for me it's ideal because I am oily. I usually don't gravitate towards dewy foundations, but we're gonna try it, okay? This is in the shade 330W, which is the exact same shade that I use their CC Cream, the matte version. By the way, this is also the new cream and powder face brush. I also have the little liquid blush brush. So I'm gonna go in with this side and I'm gonna do one full pump, which looks like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just like push it into the skin. Y'all gotta give me an update on what you guys did for Christmas. What are you guys gonna do for New Year's? That is a big question. I still don't know. I'm kind of over hosting at my house, honestly. I'm like, I hope somebody else hosts. Like, I'm down to bring some food, but I'm so not down to host at my house. I mean, okay, I don't mind hosting at my house again, but if we do, I'm like, okay, let's do a potluck where everybody brings something because I just get too stressed out trying to cook, trying to make it perfect, trying to feed everybody. You know, I still gotta get time to dress myself, get the kids dressed, which I mean, Lonnie's at the age where she dresses herself. Lincoln is the only one that needs help, and he's a boy. It's really not that big of a deal, but you know, it's the holidays. I just want to relax. Okay, so far, this actually looks super good. It's not overly dewy. Like I thought this was going to be super, 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 super dewy, but it's not. It has a really pretty, almost natural finish to it, really. I will do a full day wear test for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned till the very, very end to see how this wears on me. Right now it's 11:15 in the morning, so not too late. Let's go in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the new Milani Spilling Tea Cheek Kiss cream bronzer. I am so glad they came out with a cream bronzer because I feel like Milani just, I don't know, they, not that they don't keep up with trends, but they're always like a little bit behind. So I was so happy to see this at my local Ulta. I have been using it and I really, really like it. It's a really pretty, as you can see, like soft bronzer, and it's not crazy pigmented, but you can definitely build it up, and it has more of a like golden undertone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that onto the cheeks, just right here. And then whatever's left, I've been just bringing it to the jawline just to create a little more balance. It actually slays. That is so pretty. I love the way this blends out. I'm going to go back with my sponge and I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit. I'm trying to low-key finish this video really quick because my husband, he's like, do you want to go get some Jollibee? I have been wanting to try Jollibee since we moved to Texas almost 3 years ago, and we've just never gone. He's had it before because from work, one of his co-workers is Filipino, and it's Filipino, right? Or Filipino food. So let me know if you guys have ever tried it. But he claimed that he didn't really like it. He's like, yeah, it's all right. But I'm such a sucker for like Asian food or Korean food, Filipino food, all that kind of stuff makes me so happy. I am way too excited to go try Jollibee. Okay, let's move on. I think I'm gonna do blush first. I ordered 4 shades of the blush. 4? No, I lied. I have more. 5. Okay. I ordered 5 of the e.l.f. New blushes. These are called the Camel Liquid Blush. And from what I've seen, these are crazy pigmented. So I'm just going to give you guys some quick little swatches. Here are the shades of the liquid blushes. Very pigmented. So I'm going to start from my left to the right. So the very first color is called Dusty Rose, and then we have Berry Well. The bright orange is called Gorge Orange. The very light one is called Peach Perfect. Then the very last one, which is more of a bright coral, that one is called Coral Crush. Let's make this a little bit fun, shall we? I know that these are going to be pigmented, so I'm only going to apply a little bit. Let's do a little bit of this, a little bit of this one. This one is so bright. It looks a little bit more toned down on camera, but it's very much bright and like almost neon. And then we'll do a little bit of that one. And I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to go from left to right, blending them all. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh. Okay, and this brush is amazing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna, like, that's a lot, but I think once I apply like my concealer and then blend it all out, it's going to look so pretty. I'm gonna use my sponge. I love how this brush is angled, so it allows for you to like hug your cheeks perfectly. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I think my favorite color is going to be like these two. These two just make great combo. This is Gorge Orange and Coral Crush. Yeah, definitely my favorite two so far. For concealer, I have this new one from L'Oreal, the True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. This contains hyaluronic acid and caffeine. I picked up the shade 5, medium neutral 5. I have already tried this, and I don't know how I feel about it. I love the little wand application because it's kind of like slanted. Do you guys see that? Pero no me gusta the finish. Like it's very, I guess it's very serumy. It's a little lighter, which is nice, but it doesn't offer coverage that much. And so I feel like I need multiple layers of this. And at that point, it's like I might as well go for a full coverage concealer, you know? But if you are more of a natural girly and you actually get some sleep, then this is something that you might really enjoy because it is really, really light. Because it is a serum concealer, I am going to tap it in with a brush to get the most coverage that I possibly can. And I mean, look at this, like it blends really nicely, right? Just wish it was a little bit more creamy and it had a little more coverage to it because the formula overall is nice. I'm using this side of the brush to just like set the skin with my powder. I don't really have any new things or any new powders to share with you guys, so I'm just going to use what I have. But so far, I love how the skin looks. It's definitely like giving your skin but better. The blushes are really nice and they blended really nice. Again, I don't think I love this concealer. Like it's just not full coverage enough for me. So if you like a lighter coverage concealer, definitely pick it up. I'm going to add a little bit more blush. What am I saying? So I'm going to go in with Luminoso from Milani, and I'm just going to go over the blush a little bit more. This is also going to give me a highlight and a blush, which we are here for. Just like that. I just feel like I needed a little extra something. I'm gonna try some highlighters from the brand What's Up Beauty. This is the Serengeti highlighters. Really pretty. Let me open them for you guys so you can see. This is Safari Sunset. The packaging is just absolutely stunning. I'm going to use Safari Sunset. It has pink, but this one right here has, or this right here has a little bit more gold. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I just got this brush from AOA Studio. We went to the mall yesterday. And oh, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. If you guys don't know who this brand is, they make such great eyeshadow palettes and brushes. I have like a full brush collection from them, and they're honestly some of the best. It's this one right here. These brushes, you guys have seen me use them over and over. Oh my gosh, the quality is amazing. So pretty. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this pink. It's a really pretty soft pink. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that is stunning, you guys. But anyways, I was saying we went to the mall yesterday just because we had to go return some things and Lonnie wanted to go shopping since she got Christmas money. By the way, oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys, if you don't keep up with me on Instagram, we have a new family member. I don't know if he's here. He might be sleeping or he might be out for a walk, but Lonnie has been asking for a ferret. At this point, I think it's been like 3 years, and we were just very hesitant of getting her a ferret because she is still so young. She's only 10. But this past year, she's just proven to us that she's such a responsible child. She saved up her own money from doing chores to buy herself a ferret. And so her daddy and I surprised her for Christmas with a ferret, and she's obsessed with him. His name is Charlie. He is so adorable, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am low-key in love with him. He is so cute, and the dogs have been doing so well with him. Like, Cosmo's just like, stay away from me. I don't care about you. Cleo's like curious, but she doesn't play with him, so they're chill. Now for setting spray, this is the brand new NYX, the Marshmallow Setting Spray. This has a matte finish. So I guess they have the original one that's been around for years. They do have a marshmallow primer, which I do like. It's just not the best for oily skin. And they recently came out with a marshmallow scented matte setting spray. And I've heard it smells amazing. Of course, me being an oily girl, I had to pick it up. So let's see if this actually mattifies the skin. Ooh, it's a little aggressive. You guys, say hi to Charlie. He just woke up from his nap. He sleeps a lot, okay? A lot. So he's mainly asleep throughout the day, but this is Lonnie's little baby. He is about 6, 7 months old, and he is a wiggle worm. He is so cute though. Look at his adorable little face. Like, everybody is in love with Charlie. The dogs kind of like him, but we love him. And he's just like a little slinky. Look at him. He's so cute and bouncy and stretchy and adorable and mischievous, and he's just fussy. He's ready to wiggle out. So let's finish off this look. I am trying out the new e.l.f. lip liners. You guys already know I had to order both the shades of brown. So I have here I guess they don't have names, and if they do, they're not on the actual pencil, but this is the darkest brown, and this is a lighter brown. I'm going to start off with the darkest brown and then line the lips. And then for the lipstick, I'm actually trying the NYX Duck Plump Lip Gloss in Banging Babe. I have already tried this as well, and I really like it. The formula is so thick. Look at that. Like, it has so much coverage. It looks really pretty on the lips, and it definitely gives you a tingle. So if you don't like the plumping effect of lip glosses, this is probably not for you. But I love this. It's so pretty. I love the color. They also have matching lip liners with these, but I really wanted these e.l.f. ones because they're only $2. They're affordable, and they look so bomb. Let's close out this video by trying out some Rare Beauty new products. I ordered the Hydrating Hand Cream, the Body and Hair Fragrance Mist, as well as the Hydrating Body Lotion. I actually haven't smelled it, so let's see. I'm really curious about the hand lotion. I've seen like mixed reviews about this product, so let's see how it is. That is how the packaging looks like. It's really cute. The only thing that I didn't get is it was like this like stick or something like that that's supposed to like calm you when you're feeling anxious or something. I don't know. It just really not for me. But I love lotions, especially ones that are travel friendly. Smells okay. I mean, it has a nice like calming scent, so I get where that's coming from. Very much giving like essential oils, but I'm not wowed. The body spray is pretty big. This is what, 3.38 ounces. I love the packaging. It's really pretty and like soft. I'm gonna put some on my hair. Ooh, I don't like that mist. Well, I am gonna go on about my jolly day, and I will be back in a few hours. It is already 1:12. So I will probably do a final check-in at the end of the night. I will try to check in with my phone throughout the day to see how this foundation is holding up, but so far, chef's kiss. Okay, you guys, so this is gonna be the final check-in. I am currently in bed because I am super tired. I just could not make it upstairs. Lincoln is sleeping right next to me. So this is how the skin is looking. Honestly, I'm a little bit oily in this area right here, but like nothing too crazy. The skin looks super healthy and the makeup is holding out really well. So I definitely loved this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below.